Okay, I have Samsung S7. Turns on, it turns off. I dropped it for the 100th time. Now it won't do anything unless it's plugged in, so I suspect it's the battery. And we have changed it before. I think I had a leftover screw. We went back and read a bunch of stuff online. Ordered a battery with a new back, because sometimes that back cracks on here. Get the kit. I'm going to try to do it DIY like everybody else. Okay, I took the back cover off. Always keep a little pin. I'm going to take the SIM card out, but this kit was supposed to have a new back because they crack sometimes, and of course the back's not in there. It has a battery, 4600 I believe it is. It's a little bit more powerful than this battery. 3600, I don't remember. And it's got all the parts you need. I already have all this junk, but disappointed the back's not in there. Take the SIM card out. I got a SIM card and an SD card in here. Put that over there. Put that over there. This back here, basically just sitting in there with a little rim of glue. The idea is put a tool on like this. After it's heated up, you squeeze this on and you pull it apart, and this thing should come apart. And as it comes apart, you get these little tabs and put them in there so it can't go back and glue on itself. They never tell you how long to put the heat gun on. This thing's, whoop, that's pretty powerful. So you want to put it on low. You don't want to melt your phone. You don't want to just heat up your camera and lenses, so it's going to go around. Just going to try to get that glue a little soft. You can feel it heating up. Once we get one end, the rest should come, but you don't want to not heat the whole thing up, otherwise this back will crack. Put this on, squeeze it here, and then try to pull. Oh, look at that, it came right apart. That's unusual. You leave these in here. Wow, that's nice. Leave these in. I have tried to repair an iPad, failure. I've tried to repair an iPhone, had failure. It's unusual when I try these DIY stuff on these delicate piece of equipment that it works, but if I get this back off without cracking, I'm going to be very happy. Still hot. Aha. Whee! I got this little screwdriver set one time for like 14 bucks on Amazon. These are real tiny screws, so I think they're little Phillips screws. So let's try this one here. See if it fits. Alright, I got some of the screws out. I use this little tool tray here. It's magnetic. I put all my parts in there and they'll stay. Let's take a few more of these screws out. I think I have to take all of them. I'll put you the link where two links I watched on how people do this. Like I said, I have done it before, but I bought this battery and it gets real hot when I film with this. I like this phone. It's really small form factor. Just throw it in my back pocket. But I guess this year, 2022, the battery heats up almost all the time. So now that I dropped it, and it will run if it's plugged in, but it won't run if it's not plugged in. I think it's the battery or battery connection. So I've been planning to replace this battery rather. Okay, I'm going to take this off. that little piece comes off. And then this thing, there's still one. Oh, there's that screw. It's being a little picky. Looks like this has some adhesive on it. Maybe that comes out with the whole tray, but I gotta get this screw out without dropping it on the floor. Here it is. Okay. So this thing, let's just take it off with this whole frame. Got one more screw here. Okay, I got that screw out and that comes off right here. All right. Now, do I need to take these out? Oh, no. So we have a little let's see, a little battery tab here. That comes up. And now the battery should come out. Just to reach under here. Here it comes. All right. Okay, there's the battery. I'm pretty sure is no longer any good. Okay, so this is a template glued rim. Okay, well, a little disappointed in this product. This doesn't fit. It's the wrong template. This is supposed to be a little bit of glued edge to fit in here, but since this phone is on its last leg and I have a replacement, I may just try to reuse this. This is, see, that's the size it's supposed to be. You can see the difference. See the white stickum? Oh man, I hope the battery fits. Okay, well, that ends this project. Battery doesn't fit at all. They sent the wrong product. All right, we're gonna try it again. Got another battery. It says for S7 reliability. Let's check it out. Make sure it's gonna fit. Little razor cutter. And that looks about right. Okay, let's take this apart again. Okay, this time. Don't tell me. Okay, looks like it'll fit. It looks like it's a little narrower in this direction, but let's give it a try. You never know. Who knows what all this stuff it is. A very old battery, but look at the difference. I guess that'll fit. It's kind of bent up here. Put it on here carefully. Just gotta line it up and snap it in. Okay, I got it in there. You can see this side right here. This is a little rectangular thing that it fits over on the phone. You just have to get it lined up. Yeah, okay. Alrighty. Oh my gosh, this thing did not include the new glue around the edge. I thought for sure it did. And all these tools I'm ever going to use. Oh, what is this? This is some kind of tape. No instruction. What if that goes under the battery? So I suppose this goes under here. These tape. Oh, that's a mess. Oh my gosh. No instructions. Keep the battery from moving around. Okay, got the battery in. I can put the cover back on and make sure that this goes underneath this piece, and this piece is underneath this rim up here. These two batteries around here, they don't come out of the form. I don't know if they're a different size, but this one and this one, they don't come out all the way. Okay, nice snug fit. Grab another one. I could turn it on now to test it, but I'm going to put the case on. One thing to remember in this battery is just charge it and let it run down all the way completely. Charge it up again, let it run down. You have to do that 3 times for this to develop some sort of memory. Okay, I'm going to heat this back up. Actually, I'm going to put it on. Okay, the little glue on the edge and around here is still very tacky, so I think it'll work. I'm going to snap this in here, and I'm going to heat it up, put it on, press it together. You have to make sure it's underneath the edge. You can hear it snap sometimes. It'll snap in. Okay, let's heat it up and press it together. Be careful when you go to grab it. It's not too hot where it hurts you, burns your hand. There we go. Now I'm going to put a little dish towel around this, and I'm going to sit it under the board where it won't crack it, but just put some weight on it to hold it together. Okay, just double check that it's sealed here all the way around. After you've heated it and glued it together, good fit. Let's see if it turns on. There we go. We'll let it start up, see how much battery is in here to begin with. This is, I just reset this whole phone, so it's going to start a fresh boot and install. Okay, you can see it's shipped with 57%. So I'm not going to charge that. I'm going to just let it run down.